How to transfer data from old Samsung to a new Samsung Galaxy phone. To transfer data from your old Samsung phone to a new Samsung Galaxy phone, you can use the Samsung Smart Switch app, which simplifies the process by allowing you to move various types of data. For example, here using Smart Switch via USB cable, right? So there are three methods: the Wi-Fi one, the USB cable, and the PC. Or if you have a Mac, you can also transfer from there. So ensure both phones are charged and updated to the latest software version. Now bring a USB and connect it. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or iPad, there could be a different USB. If you But right now the latest iPhones have the type C USB cable, so it's now not a bigger issues, because earlier we have to bring a very special USB cable which can be only made for iPhones, right? Now once a new phone, open the Smart Switch app and select receive data. On your old phone, tap send data and select the cable. Automatically all the data will be transferred. If you want to do it through the cloud, then you can do it through the cloud, as you will there will be an option to through Wi-Fi, and the last one is through PC or Mac, right? So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.